Dad, last night Mom said yes, yes, yes 22 times.
What did she agree to? I don't know.
We all know this viral video. It's hilarious. But what if I told you that in 2026, you won't be able to tell if this baby is real or AI? I just found a platform called Vora. It claims to be the one-click studio for OpenAI's Sora model. And the features I found inside are basically a cheat code for content creators. Look at this explore page. This isn't just weird, blurry AI anymore. We are talking about 4K cinematic B-roll. Look at the lighting on these shots. The coherence is perfect. They even have a cinematic challenge running. This tells me that the creators using this tool aren't just spammers, they are filmmakers. They are using AI to build short films, not just memes. Let's test it live. I want to see if it can handle complex physics. I'm typing in a crystal clear glass statue of a running horse shattering into a million liquid water droplets in slow motion. I'm setting the ratio to 9:16. That's for TikTok and Reels. And I'm keeping it at 720p for speed. But remember, we can upscale this later. Let's hit generate. Normally, a render like this in Blender or Unreal Engine would take a VFX artist days to model. The fluid dynamics alone would crash most computers. Vora isn't just another random AI tool. It is effectively a bridge to OpenAI's Sora architecture. For the last year, Sora was locked behind a red team wall. Only Hollywood directors and select testers could touch it. Vora has essentially cracked that door open for the rest of us. The difference between this and older models like Pika or Runway Gen 2 is object permanence. Older models treated video like a hallucination. Things would morph and melt. Vora treats video like a 3D simulation. It knows the horse is solid, it knows gravity exists, it calculates light rays. It also understands cinematic grammar. In the past, AI video was a slot machine. You pulled the lever and hoped for the best. But Vora respects camera instructions. If you type low angle, wide shot, slow pan right, it behaves like a physical camera operator. It understands depth of field and focus pulls. We are finally crossing the uncanny valley. You know that weird, dreamlike flickering where faces distort? That is an artifact of 2D diffusion. Because this model simulates 3D space, the consistency remains stable over time. If you are already using Midjourney or Flux to make your thumbnails, you don't need to start from scratch. You can upload those static assets here. Vora analyzes the composition and just hits play. It adds breath to characters. It adds wind to trees. It turns a JPG into an MP4. And look at the top bar. It's not just video. They have integrated AI voice and AI music directly into the pipeline. Usually, you have to go to 11 Labs for voice, then Udio for music, then Runway for video, and stitch it all together in Premiere. Vora is trying to be the Adobe Creative Cloud of AI. It wants you to stay in one tab. One quick warning on the economy of this. It runs on a credit system. High fidelity physics simulations burn credits faster than simple talking head videos. So, my advice, use the image to video mode for simple motion and save your big credits for the complex text to video prompts like the one we are running right now. Wow, look at that. Look at the refraction of the light through the glass. Look at the individual droplets as it shatters. It understands that glass behaves differently than water. That is terrifyingly good. But it's not just for art. Look at this. I found this in the community feed. A chef fighting a giant chicken? The movement is so fluid. This proves you can use this for comedy skits without needing actors or props. Now, let's talk about the dark arts. If you are a content curator, you know the pain of watermarks. Vora has a built-in watermark remover. So you have generation, upscaling, watermark removal, and prompt stealing all in one dashboard. This is an entire production studio in a browser tab. Now, I know this is a lot of power, and if you just spam random videos, you won't grow. You need a strategy. I am currently building a deep dive module for my private community that shows you how to chain these tools together to build a fully automated channel. I break down the niche selection, the scripting, and the monetization. The Forge Academy is launching soon. If you want to be a beta tester and get access to these blueprints before the public, click the link in the description and join the waitlist. The tools are here. The barrier is gone. Go create something amazing. I'm Mike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the Forge.